DirectFix.com presents the iPhone SE screen replacement directions. Please be sure to pause the video and read this complete warning as you're doing this repair at your own risk. Make sure you click the subscribe button in the description below and leave a comment or a question in the comment box. Using a SIM card eject tool, remove the SIM card from the phone. Using a pentalobe screwdriver from DirectFix, remove the 2 pentalobe screws from the bottom. Using a suction cup from the toolkit, attach it to the screen. You're now going to gently pull the screen away from the frame. Be careful, as there is still a cable connected from the screen to the main board. Once you get the screen to lift, stop and use one of the guitar pick tools from the toolkit to help bring it up so you don't accidentally pull it out too hard and rip the cable underneath. Using a pair of tweezers, you're going to remove the clip that's holding the cable in place. Keep track of this clip, please. Don't lose it. Sometimes when the clip comes off, the cable will come up at the same time. That is fine. Here you can see that the cable is removed, and there's the clip that we're referring to that goes over the cable and holds it in place. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that were referred to in the picture at the red arrows. Again, we're going to reference the 4 screws that need to be removed with the small Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws once you remove them, because they are different sizes and lengths. Using a pair of tweezers, lift up and out the shield that covers the cable connections. Using a case opener tool, you're going to use it to gently pry the cable connectors up. There are a total of 3 of them, and they are overlapping. The third one is hidden kind of down underneath the other 2. With all 3 cables out, you'll now be able to remove the screen. Once you've moved over the home button, proximity sensor, and earpiece, we're now going to start the process of installing the new screen. We're going to start reconnecting the cables back onto the main connectors with the first one that was the one that was hidden. Just by pushing down onto the connector, it should just go right in. Take the second ribbon cable and just push down until it connects. Now you can push the third one down until it connects also. We're now going to install the shield, put it into place. Again, you're going to reinstall the 4 screws at the red arrows. Using the Phillips screwdriver, start installing the 4 screws. With all 4 screws installed, we're now going to take the connector ribbon cable that goes from the screen to the main board and connect it. Don't forget about the shield and the clip, which is the same thing, that will hold the connector and of the ribbon cable in place from the screen. Gently start pushing the screen down into the frame. Work the screen down from the top to the bottom until it's all the way clipped into place. Now with the screen in place, you're going to reinstall the 2 pentalobe screws. Once the second pentalobe screw is in place, go ahead and start the phone back up. Make sure you subscribe to our videos and check out our website, DirectFix.com.